Mastering Risk Mitigation Plans, a step-by-step guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an important concept that's essential for both personal and professional growth: risk mitigation plans. Whether you're managing a project, planning your career, or just navigating daily life, understanding how to mitigate risks can be a game changer. Let's break it down together, ensuring it's simple and clear for everyone. First things first, let's understand what we mean by risk and mitigation. A risk is anything that can potentially cause harm or prevent you from achieving your goals. Mitigation, on the other hand, refers to the steps you take to reduce the likelihood of that risk happening or lessen its impact if it does occur. When we talk about a risk mitigation plan, we're essentially discussing a strategy designed to tackle potential problems before they happen. A solid risk mitigation plan involves a few key components. 1. Identifying risks. You can't mitigate what you haven't identified. This step involves brainstorming all possible risks that could affect your project or plan. 2. Analyzing risks. Once identified, assess each risk based on its likelihood of happening and the impact it would have if it did. This helps prioritize which risks need more immediate attention. 3. Developing mitigation strategies. For each high-priority risk, develop a plan of action. This could involve changing your approach, adding safety measures, or even avoiding certain actions altogether. 4. Implementation and monitoring. Put your mitigation strategies into action and keep a close watch. Risks and situations change, so your plan may need adjusting over time. It's crucial to understand how to apply these principles in real life. For instance, if you're planning an outdoor event, a potential risk could be bad weather. To mitigate this risk, you might have a backup indoor venue or arrange for tents to protect against rain. This section could include a variety of examples from different fields to illustrate the application of risk mitigation in a practical context. And there you have it, a basic overview of risk mitigation plans. Remember, the goal is to be proactive rather than reactive. By identifying potential risks and having plans in place to deal with them, you can navigate through projects and life more smoothly. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of risk mitigation and how you can apply these strategies in your own life. Thank you for watching, and stay safe and prepared. This template provides a structured approach to explaining risk mitigation plans in an accessible manner, suitable for a wide audience, including those learning English.